Eric Kornacker with MMI. I'm standing in front of a Niagara hydraulic press brake. It's 55 ton, 6 foot long. It does have a Niagara CNC back gauge. The big advantage of having a Niagara back gauge is it's made by the same manufacturer as the machine, so it all integrates well and works together. This machine has dual palm buttons, so an operator has to have one hand on each button to operate the machine. It also has an electric foot switch. It can be controlled from the floor as well. This is the electrical box with the switches for single stroke, continuous, where the machine will start and stop, go fast, go slow. Then you come over here to the stroke control, which is an adjustable stroke length. The machine will adjust the stroke length up and down, and it'll adjust the back gauge back and forth. Let's go back and look at the back gauge now. While we're back here, if you look up, you'll see the hydraulic unit with the hydraulic motor. Also, the hydraulic reservoir is right underneath that, spanning between the two housings of the machine. While we're back here, let's talk about inspection of a machine like this. You want to take a look at the hydraulic system, look to see if it's leaking or not, look at all the hose fittings, electrical fittings. Everything you see here looks really good. You look at the hydraulic reservoir, looks very nice, it's not leaking. Drop down to the back of the ram and the bed. Finally, the back gauge. Everything looks to be in good shape on this machine. Again, condition-wise on the controls is very good. You can always tell by looking at a control panel if you can still read the writing that's on it. Means the controls weren't used that much, and or they took care of the machine really well. Last thing to look at would be the hydraulic cylinders. See what kind of condition they're in. See if they're pitted, see if they're scored. These appear to be in very good condition. The reason you'd buy something like this is because it's a fraction of the price of a new machine. It's still made in the USA. You can still get parts and service available, and it's in good running shape.